All right, so this is a quick overview of how to set up Google Alerts and use it for your job search. What is Google Alert? So Google Alert is a keyword monitoring system by Google that can be used to monitor or track keyword anytime it shows up anywhere on the web. But it's really for Google though, because Google is the web. So this is what most of the celebrity publicists and people in the PR industry, this is what they use to monitor, their clients, if there's any bad press, what people are saying about them. There are brands that utilize this as well, the same way as the PR industry uses it. So to access Google Alert, you go to google.com/alerts, and this is the screen that you come to. So how it works is very simple. You enter your search item, you save it, and anytime that search or that keyword shows up anywhere on Google, Google will send you a notification in your email. You can also log into google.com/alert and be able to see the alerts right here on this page. So as you can see, I've set up these alerts. These are all the alerts. You can see when I go to Long Island, you see everything there. So these are all the items that Google is going to send me. So how do you set it up? You come in here. So let's say you're looking for project manager roles. Again, don't forget to use your codes. So you do project manager, say roles, and you can just click create alert, and the alert will be created. But there are additional options that I think you need to take a look at as well. So you click this drop down, show options, and you see up here you have the ability to, well, you have the option to tell Google how you want the notifications or the alerts to be sent to you. Do you want it in real time? As it happens, you can choose that once a day or once a week. Now, if you choose once a day or once a week, Google is just basically going to send you one big email that contains all the links to wherever your keyword showed up online. If you choose the real time or as it happens, then each time the keyword pops up on the web, Google will automatically send you the notification. There are sources here. You can choose news, blog, web, video, books, discussion, finance. You can set everything to automatic, or you can pick whichever one works for you. I think if you select all three, including web, then it goes back up to automatic. So there's a difference between news, blogs, and web. So web would be a typical, regular news site. A regular site. So maybe you're looking for a job at Amazon. The Amazon headquarters website will be just a normal web. Let's say you're looking for a job at, I don't know, Microsoft. If you go to Microsoft.com, that's considered a web. CNN, your Fox News, BuzzFeed, those guys are what they call news. Blogs are, we all know what blogs are, and there's a thin line really between news and blogs. But for what we are doing, looking for job opportunities, probably would be best to just leave it to web because we are looking for job opportunities at on websites. The language, you can set it to English if you speak any other language or you prefer that. You can certainly feel free to set it. Region, being that majority of us are in the United States, it's probably better to set it to United States. So Google only sends you the links to the keywords that shows up on websites that are located in United States. How many, right? Even though we are using the codes to streamline our search results, we can also further leverage the Google algorithm by going ahead and telling Google to only send you the best results, or if you want to just get everything, you can choose that as well. Deliver, unfortunately, there are only two ways. You can set this to RSS feed. If you don't know what RSS feed is, then really the only option is email. Email here is really the email that you use to log into your Gmail. Oh, and again, in order to use Google Alerts, you need to have a Google account, just as any other Google product out there. So yeah, so you set to that and you click create alert and you see the alert has been created. And each time project management roles shows up on any website in the United States, Google is going to send me an alert, an email notification. If you want to look for job roles at a particular site, what you will do is you can add this keyword, so site, and then you type in the name of the website. So let's say Microsoft.com. And probably just remove the role, just say project manager. So as you can see here, right, it kind of gives you a snippet, right here. You see project manager is a Microsoft project, and this is JS, whatever, right? So because I set it only to Microsoft, the results are only showing me things that are only available at Microsoft.com. So if you want to limit your search to a particular website, this is how you do it. You can have a variation, really. If I want to do project manager in New York City, you can add that in, and it's only going to show you project manager roles that are on Microsoft, but only available in New York City. Um, what else? So after you create the alert, you have additional options here where you can change the delivery time. Maybe you want the alerts to be sent to you at a particular time. You can go in and specify that. This is the same as the option that we saw earlier, where you can choose how often you want to receive the alerts. And yeah, so this is how you create Google Alerts. And if I can log in to show you how the alerts look. So once Google sends you an alert, let's see, hopefully I don't have anything here. Unfortunately, I don't have any of the alerts. I wanted to, all right, so when you get the alert, this is how it's going to look, right? You get an email message says Google Alert with the keyword that you search for, and then it will just give you a whole bunch of links, and then you can click to go to that particular alert. You can set up I don't know if I have one set up here, but you can probably, so you don't cloud your inbox, I would recommend you setting up a folder or a tag under your inbox, and then just have it filtered to Google Alerts. So all your Google Alerts will go to a particular um, label, right? So just as I have like wedding SMS, personal notes, Ghana, job apps, right? So everything can kind of go in there. Facebook marketing, and so if we have one set up for Google Alert, then everything would just randomly, well, not randomly, will be pulled into it. So this is how you use Google Alerts, and you can see how it helps reduce some of the headache and in terms of discovering jobs out there. If you have any questions, feel free to reach us at progresspilot.com, or you can send us an email at support@progresspilot.com. We'll do our best to respond within 48 hours. Thank you very much. I hope you learned something in this video.